Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the files and app ready. Connect your computer or open the cloud where Flac files live, and make sure you installed a Flac-capable player on the iPhone. Once done, plug your iPhone into the computer or sign into the same cloud account on phone and desktop. Make sure the app supports local file import. This avoids streaming issues. Now you're poised to move files into the player app for immediate playback. You transfer files using the method that matches your setup. If on Mac OS, use Finder file sharing to drag Flac into the app's documents. On Windows, use iTunes file sharing. Alternatively, upload Flac to iCloud Drive or Dropbox and then open or import them from the player app. Once transferred, organize tracks into folders or playlists inside the player so you find them quickly. This reduces playback hiccups and keeps metadata intact. You finish by launching the player and letting it scan or refresh the library, then play a test Flac track. If it won't play, make sure the app has access to files and that iPhone sound and volume limit settings are correct. Once addressed, retry playback. If issues persist, retransfer the file or convert to Apple Lossless, ALAC, for full native compatibility. Doing so preserves audio quality and resolves stubborn playback compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.